Hello, my name is Dr. Uri Koenig, PhD. I specialize in body-mind medicine. Today I would like to talk with you about tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition where the inner ear is experiencing sounds and noises that bother the person and interfere with the regular hearing. It can last for hours, on and off, and in severe cases it can last for months and years with no stop 24 hours a day. A while ago I met a client and she had the severe case of tinnitus. She was hearing all the time shrieking sounds and noises in her head, and it bothered her during the day, but especially at night. When she went to sleep and everything around is so quiet, she heard the shrieking sounds and they interfere with her sleeping patterns. She sought for medical help with MDs a few times and she was on drug treatment. She later on turned to homeopathic treatment and to acupuncture treatment, and it didn't help her. When I initially saw her, I assessed that we are talking about lack of oxygen supply to her inner ears. And I recommended her to use the Frolov breathing device. This device is dealing with supplying the body with oxygen, train the lungs to bring in more oxygen, which is being distributed to the entire body. She started to train on this device for 5 months, and she took it 20 to 30 minutes a day, and slowly she started to see how her symptoms start to lose the intensity. They are reducing, going down and down. After 5 months, the tinnitus was completely gone. It was so amazing for me to see how breathing properly, supplying the body with oxygen, could really diminish such a long-term symptom like the tinnitus without any intervention, just freely and naturally. If you like to hear more about it, please email me at uri.koenig@gmail.com. It is uri.kenig@gmail.com, and I wish you a very nice and pleasant day.